floor. Oh yeah, this is when they were going. They kept doing that roundabout. They're stuck on the floor.
Now they started to.
He's freaking out.
Yo, Kobe been all over my Twitter, bro.
She's gonna pop off here real quick.
She popped off this episode.
That girl.
What? Make the peace sign and stay.
I guess so, yeah.
Okay.
I thought it was just to calm her down.
Not so much. Relax.
Yeah, she was.
Bruh.
She's cut out.
Yeah, you see that look on
So we tried. This whole hotel is the devil, bro. I'm
Just
calling it
go
out.
outside the window and jump outside, I guess. Go into a room and go outside the window.
You know,
Why they
she
using
has the same
Kobe
energy as
for everything? Like, hey, yo, Kobe, stand right there.
fluid animation.
It's like dark outside. What the
Can't
hell?
go downstairs.
Like I said, can we just like?
Yeah, can you?
Oh, so
What
you
the heck?
Oh, so basically there's another room
Oh,
after
this
the window.
is some weird.
Wait,
Outside.
Nah, yeah, this shit kind of weird a little bit.
weird.
this music is
I mean,
kind of
what you expect is like
Very
a devil.
yeah,
suspenseful.
kind of creepy too.
Bro, yo, she just be shook.
She can't even keep the peace signs up like that.
Hey,
Then
yo.
go up. Go
We're
up
trapped
through
in
the building.
floor.
Oh,
We trapped the board and not even just record, but like do stuff on the
All right, here we
Okay, how are
go.
we gonna get off the eighth floor?
the clock. How do we escape?
How do they
this?
figure this?
Denji really
Oh, let me start just laying down. He's under the
Relax.
covers.
Comfortable.
Have we tried cutting through the floor with chains?
Huh.
Start breaking shit.
Oh, so
Wow,
they did
look
try
at that.
Wow, that's pretty
They
good.
tried.
I would lose my mind
They tried
here.
Through the ceiling and
Just
came up
stuck
through
on
the
the
floor.
floor.
I would start destroying the 8th floor then. Start wrecking the 8th floor. Use your powers and go to work.
Oh yeah, we should have been standing still. Oh snap! They got us. These devils are playing smart now. And then we'll all be trapped here.
Power's still just flaring.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Damn.
Man, she
Kobe,
doesn't
don't,
need to
don't,
be a
nah,
devil hunter.
no, we're
She's
not.
just freaking out for everything.
We're gonna start. Ah, shit. Maybe we are gonna start from death. She got a point. I didn't think about that. Me become a devil hunter to send your brother to college. They basically forced me.
Oh,
So they sent you to fucking.
so you
What?
Had
Bruh, devil hunter or sex worker is crazy. Hey yo.
Be here.
Oh.
She's not cut out for this.
oh wow.
That's so sad. Howard, that's not funny. Bruh, that's not funny.
That is so messed up.
Alright, yo.
Literally a devil.
He finds a humor in everything.
Yeah, that's sad, Power.
Jesus!
Oh, that's why she's like.
Aww.
Man,
Oh,
they
bro,
just
Kobe
accept
need to
anybody
be
into this devil
protected.
hunter.
Nah, she need to be
I
protected,
would think they
bro.
would kind of.
You have to qualify
Yeah,
for
they
it.
qualify for
She holds.
She's a devil. Like
I know.
she instinctively enjoys fear.
818.
Has it?
What's its obsession with the number 8?
Wow.
That's the code. That's how we get out of here. 818, bro. I'm telling you now. Big brain.
Which means nobody's gonna save them.
So they're like frozen in time.
Oh snap.
You'll starve, bro.
Look at what this.
Starvation?
That's
Get into it later.
It's gonna get.
What if that's the whole point though? Falling asleep.
This dude, man.
He's like the
I
opposite
feel like
of
Aki's
Kobeni.
getting.
He's probably
Falling
wishing that he
asleep.
got stuck in that.
Wait, Aki's thinking.
Sleep that bad.
18.
Gonna just chill.
Man, I wish I can.
Wait, is my boy really? He's really
That's
snitching.
weird.
He has
Hey, yo,
there's no
Denji.
fear in him. Like,
No
he's like,
fear.
man,
Denji's a
For what?
fool. Dude,
Drooling and all.
They actually let him sleep.
He's gonna ask how long it's been.
Yo, he got good rest. He
knows,
drooled
right?
and oh, I mean, this is a good sight to look at. Like, what's up?
Oh wait, that's just like stuff they had.
Okay, that's.
Onigiri.
Okay, so we got some food.
Everyone should take a nap.
Great shot.
Yo, Aki out here patrolling.
Yeah, I'm like,
I have a feeling this is a strong situation.
Can't blame
He's having a panic attack.
Yeah.
Bro, free time. What's she trying to do?
We're
Nah,
having serious like mental
I would
issues.
definitely have a panic attack. So I'm not.
You know what?
I decided to win the Nobel Prize.
Nobel
How are you gonna win that?
The Prime Minister?
Is that what you want to do? What?
Passing 100%.
She's always like that.
strange. I like
Yo, she look crazy.
What the heck? Nobel Prize? Girl, what?
Okay.
That is
We were really out here gotta watch. Yo, the time's really stuck on 8:18. Yeah, I don't blame him for having a panic attack. I ain't
So
gonna
weird
lie
that they
to
could just
you.
like look at him.
It makes sense. Like I
Yeah, this is like terrifying though. Like this is a terrifying
well, I
situation.
mean-
You're trapped, right? There's no
I-
escape. That's actually scary.
Oh no, save it.
Oh.
I'm bored by how little this upsets
Talk
you,
about
she
it.
says. I mean, yeah, but if you're running out, that's not...
1 hour.
Is it
and then
now?
you're gonna go through the
Who, Aki?
Yeah, they've been partners, right?
From
Oh, you put him on? Okay. I mean, okay.
Because I was like,
That's not like you really put him into.
right.
Damn, you that what's it called?
corrupted him then.
Oh.
There's coffee for
gonna
that.
see the
Made him-
backstory
made
on
him get
how he got
helplessly addicted to
started
tobacco.
smoking.
It's also good if you want to not.
It's
have
still wild to
friends
go
with
look back and see like how they had like doctors promoting cigarettes
Yeah.
like way back when.
Like, have it when you're pregnant.
It was like 9 out of 10 doctors recommend this cigarette. Like, what the fuck? Oh, the propaganda.
Damn, she like, yo, you gonna die anyway.
Wait.
But he does start smoking though.
Oh,
Great transition.
Hey, yo,
Oh.
Is that her
that
mom?
cutaway though.
Got slapped.
Oh, the parrot.
why did she slap her for it?
He does start smoking.
Ah, I kind of figured.
Martin's girlfriend?
The fact that you're used to getting hit like that.
That's kind of sad then. If
That's
Aki
so whack,
chose
though.
not
Because her partner passed away.
Nah, that's
Yeah.
lame as shit. Go fight that devil if you. I mean, they're not really like that. So wait, what's Aki about to
Are
do?
you gonna go talk to her?
Wow.
Hey, yo, Aki about to get her?
Oh no, he just left.
I don't think.
Oh.
Like payback.
Bruh.
He got back at her by
The
putting
ultimate
her-
payback right there.
So putting gum on her. I mean, she
That
did
was
lose her
payback.
boyfriend.
Hey, back. What?
Savage.
That'll teach her.
That seems so like childish and petty.
Okay.
I got me a little laugh though.
Wow.
Okay, this is how they started getting cool. Okay.
Good job.
My boy Aki. Alright, this is clean.
Okay.
And when did you get him to start smoking?
They filled Devil
You heard his
Hunters,
OSD?
man. Yeah, it's fire.
What?
So you have to have a screw
Look at the
loose.
food.
Setting him for love.
Oh, the cigarette.
Yo, she keep trying to.
Oh my god.
Yo, why you forcing my boy to smoke cigarettes, yo? I'm not a smoker. Hey, yo.
He smoked, so. Damn, girl. You made him addicted to cigarettes.
Yo, the details here are pristine. I love the
This is
eyes.
what they call peer pressure.
And Himeno, don't ever make that noise again. Like, you about to make me act up.
That is.
Yeah, okay.
That's
That's not true.
He's down here smoking. He's a full-blood smoker.
First in line.
Damn.
He's like, I need it. I need to take
You're the
edge
one that
off.
made me smoke.
Hey, yo, we mad close.
Indirect kiss.
Whoa!
He starts kissing, no fair.
Hey, yo. I kinda like this. I kinda ship it a little bit. I ain't gonna lie.
Like if it never developed, there's like
Yeah. What about
watch
him?
another anime, you're like,
His blood's
"Do
not
guys
good no
really
more?"
think about that?
He's a lot
Yeah.
bigger
Yeah,
than
that's something we really think about. Oh,
That's so weird.
something
I have
happened
like
out
weird
What?
things. I've never thought about it.
Chuck your
yeah,
little
guys definitely do
bullet.
think.
So like,
How are you doing your thing?
Ew!
So it
Oh,
kind
wait,
of
like,
multiplies, or-
Always looks so weird.
Body turns into that.
Bungee heads.
Is it the fear of like human filth in a hotel?
Nah, no thanks. We decline.
It's fucking Tyson. It's fucking Tyson.
why do you want
Denji?
Probably wants the power.
Why they want Denji for?
You're not gonna get his chainsaw, you're not gonna get him
The other two might take that.
Bro, why they want Denji?
No shot. Oh, one of them might.
They're
Oh,
gonna
y'all are
come
just gonna have
out.
more panic attacks. Oh, wait.
Oh, it's gonna be what's
Okay.
her face.
Psycho
She's
girl.
This is
Probably
probably
part
gonna
of
be
the
like, take
trap.
it.
That's how they're
Kobe
trying to
ready
get
to
us.
fight?
Of course.
Bro, Kobe!
This
What?
girl.
Hey, yo, stop!
Yo, not
No, I'm the homie.
crazy.
You're not gonna do it.
She would hear that. Yo, she is freaking
Bro.
out.
Oh, she's trying to get hit, right?
Yeah.
Yo, what the heck?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, put her to sleep, man.
Damn.
You don't want to throw that around.
Man, she is losing. But that's how the devil gets you.
That's wall is
It,
like
like,
it.
Yeah, that's what
it messes your mind.
But still. Co-worker.
Wait, really?
That's not gonna
I thought we were gonna
Can't
get
use
Denji.
it. Why?
Denji, you're gonna have to do your thing.
Shit.
Chainsaw Man.
That long ass arm.
It's like,
Is it getting bigger? What the heck? Ew! Oh my god, get away from us!
I mean, you heard it, but take your time.
It gets bigger from pain.
Time you bury it.
This isn't my main body.
I feel like Denji will be
Oh, we have to find. Oh, he snitched on himself.
This is the stomach. I have no weaknesses on this.
We gotta find his heart and kill him.
I mean, if we kill you, that's
So
not
when they
true.
walked in, the thing like
Bro.
Oh, so it has to.
Interesting, so contracts are.
Denji can be like, yes, go inside and then cut his way out from the inside.
Or else what?
No.
Really?
That's classic devil shit. That's actually, by the way, the difference.
Oh, that's
Okay, this guy
cool!
too now?
That is kind of cool. So, if you break a contract, you die.
Back, I feel like.
Why is everyone's so quick to be like, yes?
We gotta say
Listen
they're
to the devil.
devil.
It's also kind of understandable.
half-breed.
Don't you guys kind of think like, ayo, why they want Denji for though? Exactly, think about it.
that's exactly the point. You see, Aki's thinking straight.
Yeah, why do they want Denji? Think about
Gun
that.
devil. I feel like this one.
Bruh, power.
I think we killed him.
I see.
Oh my
It makes
gosh,
me feel
no
like
way.
the gun devil's scared
Power
of like his
something else.
potential.
Time for her
Because people
noble
could
peace
fear
prize.
his
Let's
chainsaw.
go. The power scream is pretty freaking funny though.
F that pack. We're not killing our boy.
Oh, you think he's not one?
That's cute.
Yo,
Friendly.
hey yo, I'm done.
Okay, well, what are we gonna do then?
Yeah.
If this is his stomach, can you just start
Okay,
fucking
I
cutting
can
the
use
wall?
that sword, my boy.
Will it affect it?
Bruh. Wait, why?
I'll use
What's
it
wrong with the
to
sword?
know you don't.
Because they emphasize the sword, so use that shit.
Oh,
There's
so
gotta be
that
some
sword
kind
can
of-
help.
Okay.
What is this sword?
Really?
Oh, she doesn't want to lose another
What contract does he have? Something else?
I wonder what that
Yo,
sort
don't
of
tell me Power ate. The only person I can think that could
Going
do this is Power.
insane.
Power eat all the fucking
And just getting
food.
mad at each other.
Because she already tried to drink.
Bro, Power! Why would you do this shit? You're like, hey. This is Denji's
Why is she
doing.
always the same?
Stupid bitch.
She lurks.
What'd you figure out?
You actually?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, bro! Somebody
Bro,
put her down,
no.
man.
Like, tie her up.
Kobe not even thinking.
Stab your coworker.
Can you even consider yourself?
Oh my god.
What? What are you talking about?
If I was in that position with her, I'd be laughing.
Yeah, she
What?
has a big knife.
What's going on? She's, bro, she's literally making him stronger. Oh my god! Because all this fear that she's causing is getting this dude, he's becoming stronger.
She stabbed him. He was on the ground.
Stabs him to death.
Knife in her hand.
Fucking don't be afraid.
So yeah,
Yo,
just
Kobe
because
is like
fear-
a time bomb here. She's literally making this dude stronger.
Don't dread anything.
Kill chainsaw. They have a reputation. It's almost like the eternity devil.
Eternity devil.
It's the fear of eternity.
It's almost as cute.
Oh!
This fucking feels like
Wow!
Devil son.
It's the fact that they're afraid that they're stuck.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie yet. This shit is scary. I'll definitely be making this devil stronger. I would lose my mind in here.
Oh god.
where it's like jump into him and then like
That's a
have the
Mahito
chainsaw.
shit.
Or is it chainsaw man? It's like
She's over
ripping the
there.
shreds from the inside out.
Over there.
You see, the two fearful ones are on
Yeah,
that.
you guys are
opposite
devil
side.
hunters, man.
well-
Like, cut it out.
The thing is, like, she was forced.
She is not willing to let him die. She
What the
can't
heck?
take it.
Oh.
Ah, so
So
yeah!
you can make another. Okay.
If he uses it, he takes up your...
Yeah, that's
You're just in love with him.
Oh, that's whack, man! Yo, Denji, pop your chainsaw and fight!
Freaking psycho!
What?
Did you just
No.
What?
Stabbed instead.
No way!
It's like, what's gonna take more years off my fucking life?
Himeno! How can you stop Aki from moving in the way?
Freaking throw her in there.
Yo! Yo!
Hopefully.
Kobe! What's up with y'all, bro?
This is your doing.
Her team
Unless it's
is
like
just
fucking-
completely
Like a fuck ton of
terrible.
years.
I mean, she doesn't want to lose another partner.
Yeah, but I feel like she has a thing for him.
Yep.
Oh, Aki, you the goat, bro!
They have a common goal.
He's not even gonna be grateful for that.
Ah!
It's a dysfunctional space of sorts, though.
Oh yeah.
Damn, well that sucks.
Can you try?
Try?
Yeah. It is another cook. She's seeing it, right?
She's just like in shock. She's like thinking about all the other fucking
Yeah.
partners.
She was just about responsible for her partner's death.
Damn.
She would be the
Which
reason
are they
for
still
her
technically partners?
next
If he has
partner
like the
dying.
other
She's like starting to panic.
I guess she's
bad.
like Jedi Master.
He's gonna have to. I mean,
Damn.
we kill Denji or we.
Yo, we're losing! Yo, Denji! Do something, Denji! Pop your chainsaw! Yo, don't end the...
out, man.
Just do it and go fucking chainsaw.
Yes! This shit hype! Yo!
Break out of it.
It's time.
I want to raise.
Bro talking about kiss. Yo, bro!
Still thinking about that kiss. I forgot about the
Me
kiss,
too.
man. This dude is
He
insane.
has a kiss.
Try to
with,
kill it and then
Oh.
say, hey,
with her, and then he
fed it
has
to you, so...
going.
Yeah.
all the way.
So that's kind of interesting, right?
Yeah.
I have shit I wanted to say after this episode.
Oh
Low
yeah,
key.
it said it would eat his body too.
Oh, Denji.
It's gonna let you
Yo, pop that. And let me just see the chainsaw before you end the episode. Don't end the episode like this without me seeing shit.
He took a knife for you. It's your friend.
You asshole.
So like,
They all haven't seen him do this yet. The